slips through your hands, slides under doors, doesn't stick with plans and never can be yours. Lasts from dusk to dawn, and when it runs out, ask where has it gone. You'll not find that out. Is it about time? Is it about time? Who can define rhyme or reason, age or season? Not just for a minute or hour after hour, day by day spend it like a tab at the bar. Is it about time? Is it about time? Who can define rhyme or reason, age or season? There's no pleasing. What's the cause? Is it about time? Always sure. Is it about time? Is it about time? Who can define rhyme or reason, age or season? There's no pleasing. What's the is it about time? It's always about time. Yes, it's about time. But it's true, there really isn't anything that is new. Now maybe I'm just being old school, or just misplacing passion. But back then, not just the weather was cooler. Your swiping motion is not emotion, more like a moment's fleeting devotion. Heard it all before. The music guides in a revolving door. the grinding of their axes is just as bad as knives in the back. Out there in the naked city, there's a million stories without pity, and I've heard everyone. When at last I close the door and my head's undone, your kind of words are so much more what I'm listening for. The clowns are on the run, the million turns to one. You see the nodding junkies all around me, sucking it up and gushing it out, over and over profoundly. Identical grooves from a different spout, listening to the same old story, as if everything was hunky-dory. They keep on drilling on. When at last I close the door and my head's undone, your kind of words are so much more what I'm listening for. The clowns are on the run, the million turns to one. It leaves me worn out, down on my knees, climbing the Penrose staircase endlessly. When at last I close the door and my head's undone, your kind of words are so much more what I'm listening for. The clowns are on the run, the million turns to one. Here I sit and the world goes by, no way stopping now if you try. Look back a ways and it only make you sigh. All happy people get a glimpse of the sky, live in the past where the future lies. Can't build a wall of love if you don't know how. It's not about love only for the birds, love just the sound of words. It's all about life and the way you live it now. Not about love only for the bees, love please baby please. It's all about life in your own time. Open up your mind, see what you can find. You get one chance and it's understood. No one knows if you knock on wood. You won't find happy if you ain't got gratitude. Grab each day when the going's good. Too much cooking gives you attitude. Time's like money and it's gone before it should. Not about love only for the birds, love just the sound of words. All about life and the way you live it now. Love only for the bees, love please baby please. It's all about life and get out of your own way. love, just the sound of words. It's all about life and the way you live it now. Not about love, only for the bees. Love, please, baby, please. All about living in your own time. All about living on your own timeline. Straight line,
living in a straight line,
straight line,
living in a straight line.
Straight line, don't move 1 degree. There must be a turning I can't see. People move in silence, shadows have no cast. Echoes echo nothing, there's no past. Straight line, straight line. Straight line,
Straight line,
straight line.
straight line.
Even a straight line goes on, never bends. If it has a start, it has an end. All the life is laid out, nothing left to chance. Congregation of sleepers never get to dance, never get to dance. Straight line, straight line, straight line, straight line. Straight line, straight line, straight line. Living in our straight lines, we move in parallel. All these perfect straight lines are only in my head. They're only in my head. Only in my head. Straight line, straight line, straight line. perfect storm added too much confusion, and through it all we just carry on. How did everyone miss the stop sign and say the fault cannot be mine? Did no one look or notice that the meter had run out of time? How did everything just go lopsided? Someone said it would be fine. So then we washed our hands and run a mile. In a world gone blind, tell me what you see. All those fires burning brightly. Are we all at sea, turning ice into water? And through it all, we still carry on. How did everyone miss the stop sign and say the fault cannot be mine? Did no one look or notice that the meter had run out of time? How did everything just go lopsided? Someone said it would be fine. So then we washed our hands and run a mile. Somebody throw a lifeline. Where is the man with the plan? Anything less than that won't do. How did everyone miss the stop sign and say the fault cannot be mine? Did no one look or notice that the meter had run out of time? How did everything just go lopsided? Someone said it would be fine. So then we washed our hands and run a mile. So then we washed our hands and eased our minds. I never knew you were a dancer till you stepped into the light. I didn't know the sun was shining, didn't know I was alive. I never knew that you had magic until I saw it in your eyes. I didn't know that I was searching. You took me by surprise. You have me, heart and soul, holder of all my dreams, keeper of things that seem so unreal. You have have me in your spell, daughter of make-believe. Oh, what a love you weave around my heart. I walked along and didn't know you, went through the motions unaware, jumped into hoops and did the dances, and all the time you were there. You have me, heart and soul, holder of all my dreams, keeper of things that seem so unreal. You have me in your spell, daughter of make-believe. Oh, what a love you weave around my heart. You have me, heart and soul, holder of all my dreams, keeper of things that seem so unreal. You have me in your spell, daughter of make-believe. Oh, what a love that you weave round my heart. I never knew you were a dancer till you stepped into the light.